7 things rich people do to become even richer. If you analyze a tree, the truth is that every day that tree grows a little. We know this when we analyze a 10-year-old photo of the same tree and see it today, it has clearly seen a huge difference. However, every day it seems that nothing grew. Similarly, it happens to rich and successful people. We don't see them making great movements every day, making extraordinary decisions, but they do small things that clearly produce small progress step by step. And if you analyze them 5 to 10 years later, they will be in a very different situation. These are the 7 main things rich people do to become even richer. 1. Surround yourself with people even more successful than you. Ask yourself at this moment, who are the 5 people with whom you spend more time? A good exercise you can do is to list the names of those 5 people. Write down those 5 names. On the right side, rate them from 1 to 10 in the mentality of wealth and personal success. Subsequently, take the 5 results, the sums, and divide by 5 to get the average. So that's where, in theory, and according to many studies, you can get practically your current situation. In other words, you are the average of the 5 people with whom you spend more time. So, if your result is around 5, you probably need to make contacts with people more successful than you. You probably need to surround yourself with people who are truly achieving results and inspire you, motivate you, give you ideas, and even open their doors. 2. Creating multiple sources of income. Clearly, a rich person cannot be rich only with a well-paid job, with only one business. The truth is that the rich invest in other people, in other businesses, and investment funds. They have money prepared in case they see an opportunity. Many are turning to internet now for automation and the possibility of getting prospects and customers at a very low cost but very high scalability. The truth is that having multiple sources of income, even if each one is small, is practically the best way to guarantee a good long-term financial result. When any of these sources may fail, other income sources are there to support you. 3. Invest and learn to do it right. The truth is that the best way to grow your capital is to invest it. Saving a lot of money in a savings account will not help at all. Inflation will reduce 2% to 6% of the value and purchasing power of that money. Investing it and making it grow, whether through investments, real estate, any financial mechanism or instrument you wish to use, is a very good way to effectively maintain and preserve the value of that money. Of course, not everything is about money. There is also the human part, which leads us to number 4. 4. Have internal and external vitality. The main tool of rich and successful people is their body and mind. Therefore, I must cultivate and maintain mental health and physical health that allows me to continue to progress. In other words, study and educate myself constantly. Exercise daily, maintain good nutrition and hydration. That is something that many people simply overlook and do not believe has anything to do with wealth. They wonder what decisions to make with their money, how to handle it, where to invest, what products to sell, what businesses to create. But they don't wonder what to do with themselves, since they are the source and catalyst of all that wealth. 5. Avoid overspending. Spend under your proportions. Clearly, a person does not get richer by spending all his money, which would make him less rich. One thing is to invest it in real estate to increase my assets. That is different from spending it on things that do not increase my assets or that simply depreciate quickly. Of course, I can do it according to my wealth level, and clearly, the more money I have, the more I can do it. 6. Invest long-term. In other words, think not only of today, not only this year, not just the New Year's goals for this year. Project yourself to 20 to 30 years, how are you going to be? Regardless of your age. To stop thinking that tomorrow you can die in a car accident and you have to enjoy the money today, because that is what causes so many people to get old with nothing in their pockets and in their bank accounts, having enjoyed it when young. The truth is that, as our age progresses, it is even more important to have good financial stability and financial freedom. Perhaps, the most important thing that rich and successful people do to continue progressing and continue to achieve more success is that once their goal is achieved, they always ask themselves, what do we do next? What do we do when we reach our goal? What do we do when we are already generating $10,000 per month in passive income and we don't have to work practically all day? That's where many people with poor and middle-class mentality simply stop. They conform and don't think of progressing further. 7. Continue and feel gratitude. It is here where the rich continue. They express gratitude because we cannot simply be ungrateful while wanting more. Being rich and successful is not about greed. It is about ambition.